Okay, people, we have a Chrysler 2011, I think, with a 3.6. And everybody, I seen every video how to change the lights. You have to pull the bumper out, and it's gonna be a messy job. So I found a new way to do it. Instead of pulling out the whole bumper, you jack up the car, you remove the wheels, okay, and then we remove this plastic, I don't know, fender, mud, something, whatever, and it's right here. Here it is. This is a wheel. That's where the plastic goes around. And we will remove this plastic. Right there are the lights. Simple. Same process on the other side. Instead of removing all that bumper, just move this plastic and you're good to go. There's the light. Install your light and you're done. I hope this is helpful and make your job easier.